See if it'll follow me. And it can. In this wind. Look at that. It's just like almost like a drone almost. Like a and then I have it right there. And it can. And it's windy. And look how stabilized the video are. Man, with the new firmware update. Coming back. Woo! See that? I hit a bump. Hit a bump. And here you go. Yeah, man, they optimized the video quality in a strong wind. Woohoo! It's still going. Look at that. It's like Spark or a Mavic. I mean, look at this thing. He's just a Tello. Wow, amazing. Do that. I'm hitting all the bumps. Look at that. Woo! I'm gonna go ahead and capture me this way. And then all you gotta do is, I could just stay right there and come back this way. And captured me. Look at that. Still captured me. There you go. And I'm not even in the pass mode, guys. Tello is still able to follow me. Alright. Woo! And I'm gonna go and take a picture from here.